Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the video aspect ratio from 4 by 3 to 16 by 9. So here you can use any video editor that you usually use on your phone. For example, here I'm using CapCut. Then you can just open it in a CapCut like this, for example. And then first, let's change the aspect ratio into 16 by 9 like this. And you can do it manually by clicking on the video and then stretch it like this so it fills the whole canvas of 16 by 9 and adjust the position just like this. So now it's done, and this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.